All right, everybody, this is how I clean my chain. So first, this is the stuff I use. There's the chain cleaner. Here's the chain wax. To clean the bike, this is the spray that I use. And then a microfiber cloth and a scrub brush. Step one, just spray the chain. Easy enough. Step two, take my little brush, and I just scrub the crap out of it. Spin it this way. I'm pushing pressure straight this way. First. And I do the same thing, I'm pushing straight in, but then I just spin the tire the other way. And I'll do the same thing, but I'll pull this way and then push to get the sides. Doesn't take long, just a couple rotations. Just to make sure I get at least 2 full rotations of the chain. And then, I think you can see from the video, I just keep on rotating the brush like this, back and forth to get all the directions. There you go, that's pretty much it. And then, I take just some normal shop towel, paper towel. I spin and start wiping off the excess crap. See? Change it up. Kind of get the front a little bit. Get the back. Keep switching it up. But it starts to tear like that, so that's when I know I'm about the point where the paper towel is done, getting the excess crap off. Whoops. There you go. Let me turn this a little bit. And then I take my microfiber cloth, and then I actually go back and forth with all my finger pads, scrubbing back and forth, and just really get in there and get everything off. Right? And then, on the sides, kind of just go back and forth like this on the sides of the chain with my microfiber. I'm just using the pads of my fingers. Change it up every now and then. And this is the stock chain, so this thing is from 2016. On my track bike, so there might be a little bit of rust on here. But either way, some good old elbow grease. Of course, you could do this in 10 minutes, or you could sit here for an hour. Depends on just how clean you want the thing, but it just gets the job done. So I do that at the front, or the side that you could see, rather. Not really the front, but you get it, this side. And then I come over here and I go back and forth like this. And I do the same thing to the back of the chain. I'm not gonna do the whole thing, but you get the idea. You can see it's pretty clean, right? Oops. And then all I do is take the chain wax, and it says on here how to use it, like the direction of the spray and the direction of the wheel travel. So I do that, spray a little bit to give it a rotation. And that is it. I'll probably just do a couple more rotations of lube, but I'm not just gonna, but that's pretty much it. Just 1 or 2 rotations, nothing crazy. I don't put a lot on, so there you go, that's about it. And then the last step is I take my cleaner, because spraying all this stuff, it gets on the rim, might get on the tire. And then I get a new microfiber cloth. So that's all cleaned up. Make sure it's all good. And the actual sprocket itself, I try to get down in there with this, so it's not all jacked up. Make sure you don't pinch your fingers or anything, of course. And there we go. That's what I do to clean my chain, and I do it about once a week on both my bikes. Here's the final product. Pretty good. All right, everyone. 3 products is all I use. Well, 4. Here's the chain cleaner, chain wax, both by Maxima, I guess. Just get this stuff at Cycle Gear, Revzilla. If you buy it off Revzilla, start with the link off my website. It's like an affiliate link. And then I used a bunch of stuff before, but this stuff works pretty well. I use it to clean the entire bike. On the tracer, on the track bike, I just spray and wipe it all off with the microfiber cloth. Works pretty well. Simple brush you get off of Cycle Gear or Revzilla or whatever else. Basic paper towels. And I just bought a 50 pack of microfiber cloths off of Amazon. So there you go. Simple, straightforward, no water, doesn't take much time, but just frequency is better than intensity. So it's better to clean your chain more often than not. And because I ride so much, I just do it more often. So at least once a week, I clean the chain and the whole bike. I just take the rest of this cleaner, spray it, wipe down the entire bike. Everything that I could touch, I spray and clean with both bikes. All right, there you are, everyone. Happy chain cleaning.